Hi, this is Kurt from Easy Exit. The problem with the factory mechanical door latch on the Sprinter is it was not built for a platform bed that's 32 to 36 inches high. It is almost impossible, if not impossible, for someone to be able to reach from the platform bed and get down to the latch and then be able to pull it left or right to open it. And if you add into that the panic part of it when you've got a fire approaching and you're fiddling around in a very tight space trying to get your hand down to open the door, there's a real problem. Our electric door latch means that all you have to do is push a button and the door pops open and you are out of there. We built this so that the handy DIYer can put it together, assemble it completely in about an hour and a half. But for you commercial builders, you really need to think about the issue about your clients. They're not thinking about all the ways that they can or can't get out of the van. They're just thinking about a platform bed. They're thinking about how cool the van is. They're thinking about the woodwork. You have to be thinking from a liability point of view, how do I make it so that they can get out of this van if there's an emergency? There's a lot of scenarios I could create, but the one that I think the most about is a van with a propane stove and something catches on fire in the propane stove in the kitchen in the front of the van, and you are not able to exit the van from those doors. So to put a fine point on this, there's a number of reasons that you want to have the Easy Exit electric push button door release. Convenience, obviously. You can get out the back of the van, you can get out in the middle of the night, but the one that we're talking about today is safety. And safety is that if you can't open up the back doors, you've created a real sort of dangerous situation for you, your partner, or for your clients. Anyway, Kurt, Easy Exit. Go to our website, easy-exit.com. Thanks.